Our standard artwork crates can come with a removable end panel using the clip crate system. Alternatively, you can remove the whole face panel with a screwdriver. Inside the box you'll find packaging materials for you to self-pack your artwork. Recommended packaging materials are bubble wrap, polystyrene corners for delicate artwork under glass, and packaging tape. Lay the artwork on the bubble wrap on a flat working surface. We recommend enough bubble wrap to go around the artwork twice, then fold the edges over the glass face for extra protection. Fix polystyrene corners to the corners of the artwork using packing tape. Slide your artwork into the crate. You'll find this easier from end on. Fit the cap. Secure with the clips provided. And your artwork is ready for transport.